Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kaggle certificates. Kaggle offers a fantastic way to validate your data science skills through various certificates. These aren't just badges, they're official recognitions of your proficiency in specific areas like Python programming or machine learning. Earning them can significantly boost your professional profile and demonstrate your commitment to continuous learning. They provide tangible proof of your expertise to potential employers and collaborators, making your resume stand out. Kaggle provides several types of certificates, primarily through its Learn platform. You can earn certificates for completing structured courses covering fundamental topics such as Python, data visualization, and introductory machine learning. There are also more advanced options, including deep learning and natural language processing. Each certificate signifies mastery of the course material and successful completion of all associated coding exercises, ensuring a comprehensive learning experience. Earning a Kaggle certificate is straightforward, but requires dedication. First, select a course from the Kaggle Learn platform that aligns with your interests. You must then diligently work through all the lessons, understanding each concept thoroughly. Crucially, you need to complete every coding exercise and achieve a passing score on all challenges. Once all modules are marked as complete and your solutions are accepted, your certificate will be issued, ready for download. Once you've earned your Kaggle certificate, it's time to showcase your achievement. Add it to your LinkedIn profile, personal website, or resume to highlight your validated skills. Actively apply the knowledge gained in Kaggle competitions or personal projects to further solidify your expertise. Remember, continuous practice is key to mastery. Also, for a smarter home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. These certificates are a powerful tool for career advancement and skill demonstration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.